yazi ade ngibuka ama-comment on a previous video lapho ade ngikhuluma khona ngoJunior Khanye ukuthi kahle kahle iChiefs yamenzana nomjida because clearly lo mjida akayifuni iKaizer Chiefs uyabo. So abanye misinterpreta leyo nkulumo yami leyo bayimatanisa nokuthi uthe uKhanye izodliwa iChiefs yadliwa ngempela. Kanti futhi leya video lena ngiyenze iChiefs ingakadlali neArrows uyabo. Mina nginankinga nokuthi iChiefs idliwe nokuthi uKhanye uthe izodliwa uyabo. Vele we all know iChiefs ukuthi ihlezi nama surprises uyabo. Mina le yankulumo yami ibise ekuthenini why uKhanye previous years ethi iChiefs they must sign ama quality players bayeka ama reject uyabo, ukuthatha abadlali abaphuma ko Sundowns Pirates bangama reject uyabo. They must sign ama quality players. Njengamanje we have signed quality players this season, especially uPhiri. Usethi yena uPhiri bekumele aye kwiPirates lapha azothola khona equality uyabo. Lapha azothola khona equality naye kuzoba ngcono for igame yakhe. Kanti lapha la Kaizer Chiefs uyabo ngeke ayithola equality engako yabo. Bancane abantu abayiquality lapha. Uzofika qhilaze eChiefs. All right, that is true. Angifuni uqamba mama uyabo. Ukuthi kuPirates ubezofica a better squad uyabo. A better ball yabo. Idlala kancane iPirates. So bezobalula for wena ukuthi adapt lapha ashithe kwiPirates. But why on the previous years unokuthi wena iChiefs ayisana ama quality players. Masisana ama quality players all of a sudden ase deserve iPirates. Yabona ukuthi lo muntu lo ushuthi kahlahla kayifiseli lutho iChiefs yena. Okuhle nje afundi ukuthi ke ngawe iKaizer Chiefs. Yabo. So abanye abantu bathi hayi uKhanye uright uma iChiefs izodliwa. Kulungeleke lokho. Yabo. Kulungile lokho anginankinga because nanoma ubani ibhola mfethu mawuli predictor it's 50-50 because at the end of the day mawuyikhapha isungeke kubiki idraw. Mina ngasho ukuthi iChiefs izowina, wena ungasho ukuthi iLokhuzana, ungasho ukuthi Arrows. Kodwa at the end of the day oyedwa phakathi wethu uzoba right uyabo. It's just that yena uKhanye kuwele esidini lakhe uyabo. Kuwele esidini nalento ifana nani lapha iChiefs ishaya Sundowns kwi Nedbank yashaya iPirates kwi Nedbank. Angasho wena uKhanye ukuthi izowina iSundowns because uyayazi ngento quality iSundowns kuwina iChiefs. Angasho ukuthi izowina iPirates, uyayazi quality iPirates kuwina iChiefs. Uyabona lonto leyo ukuthi it's 50-50. Kwi-cup game nje kohlezi ku-50-50. Ungafika wena uthi aspatch ngithi mina izowina iChiefs, wena uthi kuzowina enye team. Kuwina iChiefs because it's a cup game vele uyabo. So nina ni misinterpret le yanto yami wrong yabo. Mina I was talking about le nkulumo kaKhanye ethi quality kumele iPirates. Why asideserve thina iPirates iChiefs?